Bakit pag nag-enroll ka sa mga mentorship program, bakit hindi pwede na kami na rin lang na mga mentors sa magbigay sa inyo ng clients? The most common question that I get sa aking Facebook page is, kapag po ba nag-enroll kami sa mentorship program nyo, tutulungan nyo po ba kami maghanap ng clients? Ihahanap nyo po ba kami ng clients? Or very similar dito sa question na to. And I always respond the same way that I have been responding ever since nag-open kami ng mentorship program dito sa Blogy Mary Group. I will not give you clients. Kayo ang maghahanap ng sarili ninyong clients at tuturuan ko lang kayo nung strategy naman na naging effective sa amin for the past couple of years that we have been working from home. The reason behind this is this. Kapag binigyan ko kayo ng client, halimbawa, inipush ko talaga, gusto kong diba? Gusto kong maraming mag-enroll, ganyan. Binigyan ko kayo ng client, what if after 1 day or 1 week, i-terminate na yung contract ninyo ng client? What happens next? Mag-enroll ulit kayo para ihanap kayo ng clients. Diba it doesn't make sense? I want you to make this freelancing business as sustainable as possible. So hanggang gusto nyo nagpo-work from home, pwede kayo mag-work from home because marunong kayong mag-hunt ng sarili nyong clients. Anyway, if you guys are interested to join any of our mentorship program, all you have to do is click the link in my bio. Kung nanonood naman kayo nito sa Facebook, i-check nyo na lang yung mismong caption. It will bring you to our Gig Hub. Everything that you need to know para makapagsimula na mag-work from home nandito sa Gig Hub, including yung mga live mentorship classes namin. And guys, the top VIP all access pass, just a heads up public service announcement na din. Yung buy one take one promo niya ends today. Tonight at midnight. So, kung gusto nyong i-avail yung buy one take one promo ng Top VIP All Access Pass, i-close na siya tonight. So, for the price of 1,999 pesos, dalawa na kayong pwedeng mag-enroll. If you want to know more about Top VIP All Access Pass, i-comment nyo na lang dyan. And also, comment any questions you guys have about working from home, follow from our work from home chismis. Bye!